the Herobrine Bros here. Yeah, I new name the Herobrine Bros. Now we're gonna review this. There was already a video already there. And we're gonna see this is the aircraft carrier, which is the box over there. So I'm gonna show you. It's the box. Here's the box with meat. To use aircraft. So let's turn around. See, there's the planes right there. We took it out already. There's a helicopter that we didn't really use. So there's actually buttons over here that goes all the way over here. This stuff. There's 3 of them to try. So we're going to review this toy and come over here. Come over here. So the first thing, it can roll. It can roll because they have rollers behind.
It can float in water and it can move.
Well, it can't really float. This thing can't really float. This is for storage right here, so storage.
That's my plane. No, that's my plane, Dad.
So yeah, they also have this, but it's kind of rusty and hard to use. As you can see.
It can't float.
This way is better.
Come on, son.
So see, we do it that way. That's the wrong way, so you're supposed to do it that way. Here's our antenna.
This is not. Oh yeah, the antenna.
And then there's another one. It can move, as you can see. It's actually moving. Oh crap.
I realized it can move.
Yeah, slowly like that. They can't break the pieces like that though. Just for storage. Okay, so if we look under, oh crap. Let's break this off so we can do stuff. So when I put it under,
As you can see wheels.
the rollers that move it.
No,
They move smoothly.
they don't have it on the real one.
Yeah, because this is not made for water. See, the water would go inside the screws and then break the whole thing up. So this is entirely not made for water.
I think you buy from big one.
Yeah, I think you buy from big one. So we don't remember. So let's just put this back on. For the score, what would you give this toy, Hamish?
I give it to 100. 100.
I don't think so.
Why? All the way up to 100.
Alright. It's 10. It's 10.
No, 9 out of 100. No, 9 out of 10.
I give it a 9.5 because of this. I have to move it this way. I'm not used to that. And it does this.
I put a 9
And
just because.
I put a 9. Actually, I put an 8.5 because that I showed you.
And
this.
why is
And
minus
this.
1 is this?
It's annoying. Yes, that and this. It bends over. They should put another wheel on the back right here. But I can't believe that breaks without anything that holds it.
No, come on.
Let's see.
Come on.
So we gave it 8.5. He gives it a 9, I think. Oh yeah, so this is in total all 17.5. So pretty good, but missed 3 points. So hope you like it. Give a like, favorite, comment, subscribe. See you guys.
And don't subscribe from this annoying.
Yeah, don't subscribe to him. He doesn't have a YouTube channel. Subscribe to him.
Yeah.
I'll put his name is Gabriel Rebelito.
Yeah.
And I can't put a link in the description right now, so see you guys.